Are you overwhelmed by choices in your personal or professional life? At JMCons, we simplify decision-making. Our platform helps you weigh the pros and cons of trending topics, ensuring you make informed choices every time. With our unique decision calculators, you can assign scores and instantly see which options hold the strongest advantage. We provide in-depth insights on business strategies, technology tools, and lifestyle choices. Our goal is to turn complex decisions into clear, actionable insights. Why should you choose JMCons? We offer balanced perspectives that empower you to decide with confidence. Don't let indecision hold you back. Visit jmcons.com today and transform the way you make choices. Understanding both sides has never been easier. Take the first step towards informed decision-making. Join us at JMCons. www.jmcons.com